Today I'm going to show you how you are going to submit a video assignment for class. You'll be submitting many video assignments as we go through this virtual time. So I want to make sure that everybody understands how to do it. So first you'll find whatever assignment it is. In this example, it says singing video. It will say something different every time. It's not going to say that. So the directions will be underneath. It'll say click on the assignment. The assignment will be found over here. You have the opportunity to also resubmit assignment because I've already submitted something. I can resubmit something, but your button will say submit. When you click on this, or you click on submit, a screen is going to pop up and the word upload will be there. You're going to click on the microphone and you're going to choose audio and video. We are not doing audio only. We are adding video to this. You're going to see my lovely house. You push start recording, and then once your recording is done, however long it happens to be, blah, 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 stop recording, and then you'll push insert recording. After you've done that, you can click submit, and then it will show up as a submission.